Hello everyone. So my next item is a Birdwatcher's box, and again the box is 4 by 7 by 2. The cover has cedar waxwings, one of my favorite birds, next to the cardinal, which we don't have. Well, I don't have. Okay, so in this one, I'll put the journal aside for now. So here in this pocket, it's a magnet closure with this image. The digitals, oh, I used all kinds to be able to do this, and I'll just name the digitals that I got from. It's all from Etsy over time. It's Artymaze, Ephemeris Vintage Garden, Farm Mirage, Kristie Art, Romantica Art, Allegra Digitals, Snapdragon Digitals, and Vectoria Designs. So I could put all this together. So in this pocket, I have some couple little tickets and some journaling cards. Here is some extra journaling paper. I keep all my cutoffs, and I make journal cards with them, and get that in there. Okay, inside here I have a specimen capsule of a feather. Oops, I think if I get that black background. There we go. It's a feather. In this mini CD envelope, and I have fussy cut, all kinds of different feathers that can be used anywhere in the journal. There's all kinds of little feathers in there. Here is a field record pad with all these observation cards for birds, the location, the date, the hour, the weather, the wind, and the description of the bird that you have seen. So there's 12 cards, I think, in this pad for these observation. Here is a pencil made with newspaper. Excuse me. A couple of extra little envelopes with a journaling card. A jeweler's envelope with the cardinal. Here's the back. These I have in my Etsy shop. And in here I have just a whole bunch of, there's a big feather that I fussy cut, and all kinds of journaling cards. There we go. Postcard. These are cut-offs I keep. And here's the bottom of the box. The journal, it's bigger. It's the biggest of all four. The journal is 4 wide, 6 1/4 high, 1 inch spine, 4 signatures with 112 pages. This is part of a book spine that I just cut with some brads to put on the cover. And its side there's some fussy cutting. Just love this bird in the nest. So here there's a variety of paper, digital paper, but there's all kinds. I can't tell you whose is whose. If you wonder, well, you can put a comment and I'll try to find whose digitals they are. This, I know this is from Ephemeris Vintage Garden, the digital of the Eco Dye paper. Some journaling cards. In here I have some postage stamps. Oh, these fluffy fingers. I have postage stamps of birds, of course. So different types of birds. see all that. So we have that. And just a variety of cedar wax wings again. So these are all, oh, this is a playing card, the Midwest Birds. Oh, I know this is from Artymaze. This was a freebie. I like the look of that. And this opens up. Oh, this is a sweet envelope. With a journaling card. Another fussy cut. It's a hummingbird. It's in its nest. Here I have a paper clip with a feather charm. And in this vintage glassine envelope, I have some smaller fussy cut feathers. Oops, I'm making a mess. It's okay. It gives you an idea. I have all kinds of little feathers in there that can be used throughout the journal. There we go. There. Here's a postcard, a little journaling paper. I put the numbers 1 to 4 in each signature. Little journaling card. Here is the names and arrangements of the main feather groups of the bird. Tag. Another playing card with a wood duck. Journaling cards. Love that paper. Another little envelope with a journaling card. The third signature, another little cutie in its nest. This is straw paper that I ordered from Italy. I'm trying to think of her name, and of course it won't come to me. She's quite popular on YouTube, that lady. She does beautiful work, but I can't remember right now. A ticket, some journaling cards. Signature number 3. Here's a postcard. I think that's from our vintage garden. Another playing card. And some labels that can be used throughout the journal. And in this, I won't open it, but I think you'll be able to see in this little glassine envelope some smaller version of those labels. Okay, put that there for now. This opens up, and it's so slippery on this surface. Another envelope with journaling card. And signature 4, another cutie in its nest. In here, in this vintage glassine envelope, I have some fussy cut birds, the smaller birds. That again, that can be used throughout the journal. Just a bunch of cuties. There we go. So the middle of the last signature, a postcard, some journaling paper, another playing card, number 4, journaling card, journaling cards. Lots of room for journaling, of course, usual. And another envelope with a journaling card. And here's the back of the journal. So this is called the Bird Lovers box. And thank you for watching. And I'll be coming up with the next will be the herbarium box. Thank you. Bye-bye.